Okay, yay! You bought the financial toolkit. So you've got some pretty awesome resources available to you. There's a video about how to get to a known financial position, work with your accountant or another business owner or a friend and really dive into what is a balance sheet and a profit and loss. And then in the second video, Brittany and I sit down and we do some budgeting. Oh, budgeting. I know the word isn't very sexy, but with budgeting, you can set financial goals and you can come up with a selling price strategy. All very cool. Here's a really frustrating part. None of this is sexy. You know, I wish I didn't even have to use the word budgeting. It brings up things like dieting and no fun. But rich people know this stuff. And if you aspire for more, if you want to achieve your life goals and have the money to provide for it, this is the stuff that opens up those doors. And the good news is it's not that hard. Once upon a time, I fussed about this. I fought it. I'm too creative. I didn't want to learn how to do the math or the numbers. And, you know, if I had just dropped that earlier, I would have saved myself so much time and energy and debt. So for me, it wasn't really the promise of all that cool stuff that I could have if I could get my arms around the money. I finally dug into this information because the pain of being broke and being in debt was so great that I had to change something. And so I said, okay, I'll figure it out. And the good news is it's not that hard. And I think my genius is in making this information approachable. I'm really proud of the videos and the information that I've got, queued up for you. Dive into it if you haven't already. And as you do, reach out to me, send me an email. I will help. If you put a budget together and you're not quite sure you've done it, I'll check your homework. I really would love to hear what your response to this information is so I can make it even better and absolutely help you get off the dime with the information so that you can use it and get those really cool results. Yes, I know where the money goes and I know how to make more of it. And I'm out of debt. My life is pretty good. Here's the really exciting thing. I can buy dinner for my friends. I can go on vacations. I have money stockpiled. The freedom that comes with owning your financial stewardship is so good. Well, that's what caused me to put this whole program together in the first place. And I want to do everything I can to make sure you get the same results or better. So, Ellen at ellenrohr.com. You and me, let's do this.